Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be replacing an iPhone 7 screen. It has a cracked screen. Everything still works. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this with an OEM grade screen, as well as start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 16 minutes and 3 seconds and we have a brand new iPhone 7 screen and everything works great. All the screens come pre-tested. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram at AppTech Pro and also Facebook at AppTech Pro and our website as well. I'll leave all the links in the description below. So if you get the chance to share the video on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, things like that, it truly helps. And as I always say, if I can't do it in under 20 minutes, then it's free. And I just wanted to thank all of our customers. Thank you to all those for watching, and I'll be back shortly. Thanks again.